oil for Andy, yeah. Right, I went a little, no I didn't, I went Roldy, sorry, I get it right. Found these, I think 129 hot meals, spicy chili, my Goreng, how you pronounce it, probably Goreng, not sure. Little traffic light system on there. Yeah, these are just like a snack pot really. Let's get down and have a closer look at it. Right, slow down, let's start, turn that round. Yeah, I'll tell you what I'll do, you just get this polythene off this. Right, that's better, you can see what you're doing, that's reflecting on there a bit. Soyak, I don't know how you pronounce it. Let's have a look there anyway, this is what you do, enjoy the soyak taste. Peel back the lid, remove the seasoned sachets, add 450 ml of boiling water and wait for 4 minutes. Stir through the season, top with the crispy onions and enjoy. For an authentic taste, carefully drain away water after 4 minutes and stir through the seasons. Yeah, try adding chicken or egg and veggies for a delicious meal. Right, okay, now with wooden fork. Well, I ain't got time for that because I'm working at the moment. Yeah, stir with a wooden fork. Sorry, my battery just went on my camera. Yeah, so dispose of responsibly. Right, let's have a quick look there. Nutritional information is there if anyone will have a look. What we got, best before the end, 94 grams. Just some full numbers there if you want to rig them up. Ingredients, that's all the ingredients there. We've got allergens of soybeans, celery, crustaceans, fish, sesame, yeah, milk. Traffic light system there. Well, I don't know what it's like. It's 120, it was 129 I said, did I? Yeah, it sounds quite nice for the fried egg, but as I say, I ain't got time for that mess about. So, yeah, get this lid off and get some water on it. Right, so peel back to there, that says. So let's peel this to there. Got a little wooden fork if you're out at work. That's all your seasonings and everything else. Now it says to actually drain this, I did on that other pot last time when I drained it, everyone said, no, leave it in there, that's better, but I don't know. Right, I think there's some water in this thing. Right, it said 400 ml, I don't know, I'm just going to guess it's up to that middle line. Somewhere around there, I suppose. I don't know. I can't be able to get a jug out. Right, yeah, just seal that over, I suppose, and leave it for 4 minutes. And then stir this lot over. We'll stir that lot in, lay that on there, and we're away. Right, come back to you in a minute. Right, that's 4 minutes. Just peel this lid off. Yeah, just mix in this stuff. So I don't know, I'm just gonna, it must be the crispy onions. I don't know what all this is, but just cut it. Get that mixed in there. This must be soy, I should think. Yeah, I don't think these were too bad actually for the price. Will they taste all right? I have no idea. But we'll certainly find out. Onions, I don't know what that is. Have a look here. I ain't gonna bother using the wooden spoon. What you get with that, I should just use a fork. I'll do the powder. Give this a stir. Mix it all round. Yeah, this is a chili one. They did a curry one there as well. I knew it was spicy. They weren't too bad. It didn't look too bad either. I've got to leave a juice in this. I'm going to drain this. Right, looking good. Crispy onions, I should imagine these are by the feel of it. Yeah, crispy onions over the top. Right, let's dive in. See what this pot is all about. Right, let's have a go and we'll see. I can hear the grandson in the back there somewhere. Might get an invasion in a minute. Here we go with the noodles. Well, not bad, they ain't actually. Nice little pot, you know, for the price. Plenty in it. Tastes all right. Plenty of noodles. And hot. Chilli. Yeah, I can feel it. I feel the chilli on the back of my throat, actually, to be fair. Not a bad flavour, that. And a good price, I'll tell you. It is a good price for what you're getting in there. Nice hot snack, take to work. Everyone's happy. Oh, yeah, not bad. Good flavour to it. Nice bit of warmth off of chilli. Nothing too overpowering, what I've got at the moment. Yeah, I reckon, actually, if you got a pot of that, did it, drained the juice, or added some that, you know, you get already cooked chicken, can't you? Chuck a load of that in there, fried egg on top, I reckon you got a banging meal there, you know, for the price. That alone, as it stands, I think it's tasty, I do. Got a nice chilli bite to it, plate of noodles. Hot meal. Something hot snack at work. 8 out of 10. Pick it up, try one. I got this one, which is the chilli one, or you got a curry one. In Aldi at the moment, as I say, I'm sure they're 129, 125, 129, something like that, but yeah, 8 out of 10. Right, I thought I'd just bring you that quickly. Thumbs up if you like this, give us your comments below, let me know what you think, how you tried it. Nice, good, plenty in it. You get more in there, you do one of them pot noodles, to be fair. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so to help the channel. Catch you lovely people in the next one. Thanks for watching. I'm going back to work. See ya. Cheers.